So this is Chris, and Chris has discovered his new word. What's your new word for the day?
Chirok.
Chirok.
Chirok leaves.
Chirok leaves. So my next experimental project over here is to get some moss and stick it in the bucket over here. What do you think I'm going to do? Now moss grows from spores. Don't particularly want the dirt underneath, just the moss. Stick it in the bucket and it propagates pretty well and grows in areas where you don't get too much sun. It's pretty hardy, and so we hope it's going to be useful. Man, these look like little maples all over the show here. Well, for the moment I'm going to take the moss. Let's see if this does the trick. Is that enough? Depends what we want to do with it. So the plan now is to take the moss and mix in some buttermilk that's been in the fridge for a while. Mix it up with the mixture, and then pour it out and see whether we can get it to grow. I found this old paint stirrer across at the other property when we were cleaning up. So last year I decided to leave that part of the grass uncovered with leaves, but cover this part up over the winter to stop soil erosion. And as you can see, hardly anything grew. Very few bits of grass grew. So what I'm going to do is do the experiment between these two trees with the bucket of goop over here. Then I threw a bit of water on top of it, which is probably not a good idea. Just to clean out the bucket. And so it's running down the hills in bits and pieces, and we'll have to see if we get any moss growing here.